Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. I have a bit of a problem. She's trying to kill my shadow. We were at the Amish today, so we grabbed some topsoil mix while we were there. And I did not record yet because I wasn't sure what I was doing. Yeah, Michelle, what's that going to be? Strawberries. We're going to put strawberries here. So, behind the fence we need reinforcing. And I got permission from the township because, well, look here. What we had, I showed you. Oh, the wind. I hope you can hear me. All these cross bracing I didn't like. I put this up to see how it looked, and then I asked, oh boy, wind. Wind is bad. And that's going to be a greenhouse. It's going to be fully enclosed. Later I'll have the see-through plastic. But that holds, and it's bad windy today. We've had some bad winds. I've got a total of $15 into this when I'm done, not counting the plastic that I already had. But that holds the wall from blowing over. And then I threw up some pallets temporarily just for an idea. This I did a few days back. But I put them up here, and I did fasten those two. This one's just leaning. But I wanted to get an idea to make a beautiful fenced-in 8x8 garden area with a gateway to enter in and raised grow beds in the middle. Then I'll have berry patches. We'll have a greenhouse, a berry patch, a miniature garden, a berry patch or flower bed. Anyway, there's going to be another little greenhouse, and in here is a berry patch. Now I just took some 2x6s, scrap lumber that I had that were too full of nails for anything else. And it took me a lot of thinking to come up with what I wanted to scrap out and use. Because once you set it down, you can't use that lumber for anything else. And right now, everybody knows lumber is going for a premium. Then I took some composting mulch that I had, and I'm laying it down. I'm going to get another wheelbarrow before I put topsoil on. And that's going to be a strawberry patch. So we'll be right back with, now that I believe that this is what I'm doing, and I like it, and this is what I'm sticking with, I'm going to go ahead and fill this up. I got to make sure this is square though before I go too far, because if I'm over too far over here, then I won't have a walkway around the greenhouse walls. So I've got to make sure I make this straight. It looks good. Eyeing it up, it looks decent. Because we're going to have walkways. The greenhouse wall will be here. Walkway, little fenced-in garden. So I'm going to go get another load of this stuff and level it off and see how it looks. Well, I got a load. I don't want to go too thick with it. No. Because we want room for the soil, right, Michelle?
I don't want to put that pig.
For the soil.
Yeah.
But we do want to put a layer down there. It'll rot and provide fertilizer and nutrients.
Daddy, did you that pig?
What?
In the strawberries, it's not gonna grow.
Yeah, that's true. If it's too thick, the berries won't grow.
Yeah. I mean the strawberries.
Strawberries. What?
This is not gonna die.
That's not going to die because it's up high and in the sun.
Yeah.
That one's happy.
Yeah. It's set out and sun.
Yep.
And my hand set out and sun.
Yeah.
And I know the sun comes out time. Neighbor. Yeah, Daddy, your truck's gonna bust the sun. Your truck's gonna bust the sun, Daddy.
Yeah, well, the truck's not going to stay there.
No, it should be not stay there all the time.
It's not going to stay there.
I don't need my shovel. I just don't wait.
Now I'm going to heat this up in the middle a little higher, just so we can have more soil in the middle. So that's why I have a little bit more of the mulch here. I'm going to put some more over here. Rabbits? We won't have rabbits anymore when we're done with the fence. We do now, but they won't be. We're going to block the rabbits. Alright guys, I got to move stuff, and then we got to get the truck moved.
Moving.
Yep, wait.
I'm going to use your saddle.
Here, help me put the tools over here, please. Right over here. Take that. Alright, can you grab the cardboard? I gotta move the camera. I gotta undo the tailgate. We'll be a minute. Yeah, I gotta break them off. No, try not to get in between it because we're gonna lose anything that falls down. Yep, no, strawberries are gonna grow happy. Yeah. So we'll fill that up. Yeah, it is. Well, there we go, guys. That's a half yard on a 4x8 grow bed by 6 inches. So perfect for us for now, for one bed. Now we're gonna have dinner, and then I'm gonna put some strawberries in. Strawberries. She loves strawberries. She put a chair here. You missed it. My camera is really slow firing up. She says, I'm going to put this here so I can watch the berries grow.
No, it's strawberries.
Yes, strawberries. I have to be specific. It's strawberries, not just berries.
No, it's strawberries.
Strawberries. Well, we're planting strawberries. I hope they're going to live. They're really pitiful looking things.
But Daddy gave me some hope.
Make me a hole. There. Here. Just here. 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 Okay. I can use that for the next one. I'll put one here.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can do that.
Yep. These are very pitiful roots, but we'll see what we got.
Yeah, I want this. I want to make a hole for Daddy, and Daddy want me a hole for Daddy too.
Yeah.
For Daddy, one more hole.
Berry.
Yeah.
There, here we go. All right, put the dirt in. Okay, he's good. I need a hole here.
Okay.
Can you reach?
I can.
Okay, I'll get it. All right, and let me see. I need to put one here.
Wait, I can do this hole.
Yeah, you can do that. I need one right there. Go ahead, please.
I can do
Yep,
that.
I need that.
Yeah, I can do that.
Okay.
No, not like this.
Yeah,
It's funny.
it's right here. Yep, go ahead. Dig me a hole.
Not deep. Deep enough.
Deep enough. I need to see that this one can go in there.
Deep
A
enough.
little bit more.
This is cute.
Here, let me show you something. Watch. If you dig in and
But,
then lift straight up.
but,
See?
but I can't.
Why?
Too tiny.
Oh, you need a bigger shovel.
Yeah.
All right, let's push the soil in.
Yeah. Hey, Daddy, I need your shovel.
All right, now I want to mark here because that's the last one we put in, okay?
But
So we
Daddy-
remember.
But Daddy, I need your shovel.
No, I need to mark. This is where we put him. So I need to remember he was there. Okay?
But Daddy, I need your shovel.
We need to get you a bigger shovel.
Yeah, because I can know.
Well, guys, we're going to put in some berries. I hope they grow. They're pitiful looking roots.
Daddy, I
They're from
can
Walmart.
eat this.
I've never tried that before, but I guess we'll see.
I can get this one.
That one's already there. Well, you can't see that we did anything. Michelle's breaking up clumps. But we've got 2 bags of June bearing and 2 bags of everbearing. And we've got 2 rhubarb roots. The everbearing really looked good though. The clumps of roots really looked good, but the June bearing clumps didn't look very healthy at all. I guess time will tell. I'll probably put some mulch on here tomorrow, but it's getting later in the day for now. I don't know. The problem is my wheelbarrow's got some stuff in it. I might mulch it yet. Then if we get a good rain, it'll hold the moisture in for these berries. But that's it for today. There's another project done. Well, thanks for watching, guys. This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. And who are you? Hi. Hello. Now she's not. She babbled the whole time. Now she's not going to talk. Talk to you later.